My name is Gabriel from South Sudan, a country in Africa, specifically East Africa. Well, I came to India 4 months ago. We came here for medical treatment for my mother. My mother had an eye complication, so we came here to one of the best hospitals that we found in Hyderabad. This hospital is called Pixel Hospitals. It's actually one of the best hospitals that I can recommend anyone to come to. When we came here on the first day, we were welcomed from the very beginning by the friendly workers. I really appreciate the way they welcomed us. It was really nice. I really felt happy that day because they were really excited to help us, and they really showed that humility upon us. So when we came, they gave us the service. They brought us to the doctor. We came and met the doctor that we were recommended to. She's called Dr. Pongita. Yes, she's really a very good doctor. We really appreciate her service. So the day when she came and she met us, she said that our mom, she was supposed to go through a cataract surgery. So she described everything to us. I got to understand it. She really explained it well, and I really loved it. And then she gave us an appointment for the surgery. We waited and we discussed everything regarding the financial part and everything. Let's say the fees is really bearable, not very expensive, quite good for someone who is also struggling financially. You can easily afford it. Upon doing the surgery, it turned out to be so well. It was neatly done, and we really appreciated it. At the moment, our mom, she can clearly see, not as before. So for this, we really appreciate the doctor, and I really recommend anyone who wants to come to this hospital. You can easily hit me up. I'll give you my contact. So I can recommend you here. It's one of the best hospitals in Hyderabad, as you will even see from the Google once you check it up. Pixel Hospitals. So you'll find it there. And with this, I just want to encourage you that if you have any issue, this is the best hospital that I can attend to you. Thank you.